The disruption began even before the judges had entered the courtroom, with protesters shouting, "You have no authority," and "Shame." Supporters of Benjamin Netanyahu's decision to fire Ronen Bar, like this protester, who accuses Bar, as head of Israel's internal security service, of being responsible for the death of his son, a soldier killed in Gaza. The judges eventually ordered the court cleared and resumed an hour later without an audience. They're considering petitions by opposition and non-profit groups that challenge the legality of the government's move.
A government decision was made to terminate the appointment of the head of the Shin Bet, Ronen Bar, before he had completed his term of office. This is an unprecedented event in the history of the country.
Netanyahu said last month that he'd lost confidence in Bar over Shin Bet's failure to prevent the October 7th attack. But critics say the real reason for Bar's dismissal was that Netanyahu demanded loyalty from the head of an organisation that is meant to be apolitical, an organisation that was also investigating possible ties between Netanyahu aides and Qatar.
The accusation that Qatar government basically gave money to the Netanyahu personal assistants in order to control the messages that go out of Netanyahu's chamber. We're saying that firing Ronen Bar today is against the law because of Netanyahu conflict of interest.
The latest showdown between Netanyahu and the judiciary has deepened a rift in Israeli society over the power of the courts.
The judges are acting without authority. The case is 100% within the government's authority.
The government's proposal to reform the judiciary has regularly drawn hundreds of thousands of Israelis onto the streets in protest.